In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best water-cooled spindles available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the water-cooled spindles list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the water-cooled spindles mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, G-Penny 2.2 kW Water-Cooled Spindle Kit. The G-Penny 2.2 kW Water-Cooled Spindle Kit is a versatile tool for milling and engraving tasks. Its 2.2 kW VFD ensures precise speed control, while the water cooling system, powered by a 75W water pump, effectively dissipates heat for consistent performance. The spindle is built with 4 fully sealed bearings, enhancing durability and reducing maintenance needs. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike, this kit delivers superior efficiency and reliability for intricate engraving and heavy-duty milling applications. Originally priced at $268.80, it's now available for just $201.60, making it a great value for CNC enthusiasts. Number 4, 1.5 kW ER11 Water-Cooled Spindle Kit for CNC, perfect for woodworking and furniture production. This 1.5 kW ER11 Water-Cooled Spindle Kit combines power and precision. Equipped with 13 ER11 collets, it supports versatile tooling options for various projects. The 80W water pump ensures effective cooling, prolonging the spindle's lifespan and optimizing performance. A 5-meter water pipe simplifies installation, while the robust water-cooled system minimizes overheating. This spindle is a reliable choice for detailed and large-scale CNC operations. Discounted from $241.43 to $156.93, it offers exceptional value for professionals seeking cost-effective, high-quality equipment. Number 3, 2.2 kW ER20 Water-Cooled Spindle Kit for CNC Wood Router. Designed for CNC wood router applications, this 2.2 kW ER20 Water-Cooled Spindle Kit delivers outstanding performance and versatility. It includes a 75W water pump and a 13-piece ER20 collet set, accommodating a range of tool sizes for various tasks. Its water cooling system ensures efficient heat dissipation, enabling prolonged operation without performance drops. Durable and powerful, it's a reliable choice for professional woodworkers. Previously $276.67, it's now available at a remarkable $154.94, offering exceptional savings for CNC enthusiasts. Number 2, VEVOR 2.2 kW Water-Cooled Spindle Motor Kit. The VEVOR 2.2 kW Water-Cooled Spindle Motor Kit is an excellent tool for engraving and milling on CNC routers. Featuring an ER20 collet with less than 0.005 mm runout, it ensures precision in every operation. Its stainless steel body enhances durability, while the high-speed operation of 8,000 to 24,000 R/min caters to various material requirements. With a water cooling system for efficient heat management, it delivers consistent, long-lasting performance. Originally priced at $193.32, this kit is now just $115.99, making it a fantastic deal for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 1, High-Power CNC Milling Spindle Motor with Water Cooling. The high-power CNC milling spindle motor with water cooling is an ideal solution for precision milling and engraving. Its water-cooled design ensures optimal performance and extended operational life. Equipped with 4 bearings for stability, it operates at speeds of 0 to 24,000 rev/min for consistent precision. Compatible with 220V inverters, it integrates seamlessly into your CNC setup. Originally $101.65, it's now available for just $93.52, making it a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality or performance.